Welcome guys, welcome friends. I welcome you to all the third part of DBMS interview question and answer. Guys, this is our third part of MC question answer of DBMS. It is most asked guys. I already give you two parts of DBMS interview question. Each part have 5 to 6 questions in each video. Guys, you prepare for one part and two parts. Guys, I give you 4 part. This is our third part. Guys, if you read, if you learn this 4 part, then you basic understanding and advanced understandings interview questions in DBMS interview question. I ensure you, if you learn in 4 videos, if you go any interview, if any interviewer asks related to DBMS interview question, I already ensure no one questions outside from my video. That's guys, let's start from our third part. Our first question is, explain the concept of DBMS denormalization and when it might be used. Guys, in this according to this question, what is denormalization and where is used? Guys, denormalization is a deliberate introduction of redundancy in a database designed to improve performance. It can speed up complex queries by reducing the needs of joins. Guys, according to this explanation, I told you denormalization is process to adding some redundancy in a table to acquire, to fetch a specific data with lowest cost. It is called a denormalization. Denormalization means to putting some redundancy, putting some copy of values in similar in existing table. That's called denormalization. Why we use denormalization for fetching data accidentally and fastly. That's all guys, denormalization. Our second question, what is data warehousing and how is it different from regular database? Guys, data warehousing involves collecting, storing and managing large volume of data for analysis and reporting. Unlike regular database optimized for transactional operations, data warehouse are designed for analytical queries. Guys, if already understand what this lines told you, this style told you ki the regular database optimize transactional operation. That means what you transactions from one place to another place. This is called transactional. And data warehouse designed for analytical queries called. This is the major difference between data warehousing and regular database. Guys, let's go our third question. Guys, our third question is, it is most asked interviewer firstly asked you, what is database? It is easy to any interviewer to ask what is database. Guys, you already know database. Base is a place where you store something. Database is likely a carefully organized and structured digital container that stored and manage a large amount of information in a way that makes it easy to access, search and update. Database is a organized, structured container where you stored data, manage data, large amount of data to store, manage. We fetch data instantly, easily search and easily update. This is called a database. Guys, let's move on our fourth question. Guys, our fourth question is explanation of the issue with traditional file based system and DBMS. Why DBMS is better choice over traditional file based system. Guys, let's move on the traditional file based system issue. What's issue face in traditional based system? First guys, data redundancy. Same data get stored in a multiple files, wasting space and making update cumbersome. Guys, if you already know, we create multiple files in desktop, in C drive, ND drive, how and you create a similar copy. If you stored a similar copy in D drive, C drive, it is called, guys, redundancy. Means one things in exist in different places. It is called a redundancy. And guys, move on. Second point is data inconsistency. Change in one file might not be reflected in others, leading to discrepancies. Guys, if you know, if you stored if please understand, if you stored, yes, or save a image file in a C drive and similar image file stored in D drive, when you change image file name like jobless shubham.png, but guide, you know, in D drive the image name is not changed, but image is similar, both similar, but name is different. That is called inconsistency. Limited data sharing. Difficult to sharing data across different parts of an organization and application. Guys, it is very hard to share data. And 4 point is security and access control. Hard to control who can access and modify specific data. You know, you don't know which persons to change name in C drive and D drive. You don't know. There is no control over the security. Data integrity challenge. No built-in mechanism to ensure data correctness and prevent across. There is no security. And concurrency issue. Trouble handling multiple users accessing and updating data simultaneously. Koi guys, in easy terms, any people update continuously and at the same time. There is no changing updating. Guys, let's move on. What is the benefit of traditional DBMS? Why DBMS is better? Guys, you already know what is the inconvenient and what is the disadvantage of traditional file based system. जो already told you guys. This is traditional file based systems issue. Then move on. Why DBMS is better? First, reduce redundancy. DBMS store data certainly, reducing duplication and saving space. First, it solves the data redundancy in file based system. Second, enhance data integrity. DBMS enforce rules to maintain consistency and accurate data. Third point is efficient data sharing. It easily to share data from across multiple platforms. Improved security. DBMS provides access control to safeguard sensitive information. Concurrency control, data recovery, and structured query language is provided to give some certain language to retrieval, manipulate data from the standardization. In short term, guys, if you told why is better, then in short term, DBMS solved the issue of redundancy, inconsistency, data sharing, security, and more, making it is a better choice compared to traditional file based system. It's remove all issue related to traditional file based system to solve DBMS. That's why DBMS is better than traditional file based system. Then guys, move on our next question. Explain different language present in DBMS and how many types of language present in DBMS. In database management system, different languages are used to communicate and interact with the database. These languages helps user and application perform tasks like querying, inserting, updating, deleting data. Let's explore 3 main languages in DBMS. First, data definition language, DDL. In short term, DDL is called data definition language. DDL, this is not DDLG, it's called DDL, data definition language. DDL is like the architecture plan of the database. DDL is the architectural plan of the database. It helps to create, modify, and delete the structure of the database, including tables, indexing, and constants. Guys, DDL is a foundation, is the architectural plan for the database. It's help to create, modify, and delete the structure database, including tables, indexes, and constants. Example, this is create key, alter key, drop key, truncate key, and rename key. This is in DDL command, guys. It is the, you understand, create, alter, drop, truncate and rename in this DDL class. And move on, second point, data manipulation language, DML. Guys, the name is showing manipulation, that means you manipulate the data. That's DML is like to tool you use to work with the data. It lets to insert, update and delete information in the database. Guys, our name is already shown, manipulation. That means you insert, that manipulate, you update, that means manipulate, insert, then manipulate, and delete, matlab manipulate. That is called DML, data manipulation language. Then move on, our third, DCL, data control language. It's to give a command to control the database, the flow of database. It is called grant and revoke. This is key, grant and revoke, to give, to ensure the our command, which commands follow the particular rule. This is called grant and revoke. To give a permission is grant, to take a permission is called revoke. It is controlled. And guys, in fourth point is transactional control language. It contains commands which are required to deal with the transaction of database. Commit, that means you already complete the transaction. Rollback, that means you pull back, your transaction is failed. Save point, when you save the transactions, you ensure your transaction is successfully completed. That's it. This is our today's agenda. I give you part 3 related to DBMS interview question. It's very useful. Then guys, I request you, please watch this video completely, share this video across our friends to help to learn DBMS interview question. It is most important and most useful for preparing MNC freshers interview questions and answers. It is very useful. I give you 25 to 30 questions. It is a help to crack the DBMS interview question. Apart from this, there is no interviewer call from any DBMS related interview questions. Then guys, I request you, please follow our channel. This is not mine, this is your channel, guys. Please follow, help me to grow our channel. That's guys, thank you for watching my videos. I meet you in next part of DBMS interview questions. Please watch, share and like and subscribe. Please comment how to improve our content to reach friends. Please help me. Please subscribe.